are going to be doing this look right here. It is inspired by none other than the queen, Alexa Demie. Let me know if you've been keeping up with Euphoria season 2. So happy it's back, even though it stresses me the F out. Anyways, this look is very 90s, very cool tone, very matte. A lot of things that are not really me. I don't really love a cool tone and I don't really go for matte, but I thought this could be a nice little shake up. Since I've been doing so many natural looks and like the clean makeup looks on my channel, this is just to remember you can still have fun with some different looks, my friends, and spice up our makeup routines a little bit. So let me know if you try this out, but let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look. So we're gonna start with the eyes, obviously. ColourPop sent me this palette, which is absolutely perfect. I feel like I won't need any other matte eyeshadow palettes for a really long time. This one is called Gone Matte. It's obviously a very cool toned eye. If you have this palette, which I absolutely love as well, Stone Cold Fox, I feel like you can use this, but I do want to try this one, especially because it has this like love bug shade up here that I feel like is that like frosty. And I'm just taking it on kind of a fluffy brush. I'm going to be basically using like a lot of these shades right here, okay? Add it to the crease, the outer half right here. And that is actually quite bold, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just help blend that out. It's going to soften it. I'll blend that out further. Take the shade Overcast again. It's this one right here, so you can see it's like almost like a Timber Wolf gray. And I'm going to go all the way up here, almost like I'm going to contour with it. I'm gonna go back into Love Bug. I'm just gonna apply that into the brow bone. Crystal Avalanche from MAC. This is actually a better palette to use, to be honest. I'm gonna take Dreamful, which is a pretty stark white, with a little bit of Luxe, which is more of like a vanilla. And I'll finish up the other eye. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna use my Soap Brows. Okay, I think we have the eyeshadow. At least we got it started. It's just a little rough draft. We always fix things in the end. But I'm gonna go ahead and add, should I do the eyeliner and then the foundation, or should I? Actually, these were kind of a waste. You don't even need these, babes. It does look very soft. I feel like mine is looking a little bit blue. If you guys do have this palette, another one that you can kind of use, if yours is looking kind of blue like mine, is use You're a Fox. Or You're a Faux. Just kind of use that to neutralize it. I do feel like the gray is reading kind of bluish. I'm sorry to be using so many different palettes too, to be honest, but something kind of like Fascinated that is like a muted, like this one here. Neutralize this gray. Add and use some primer. I'm gonna use, this is one of my favorites. This is the Dermalogica Skin Perfect Primer. I thought this was like the fully matte one. But it does have a little bit of a glow to it. Whoops. It's not like an intense glow, it just has like a baby glow. I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation. For my concealer, now this is where I'm going to get really heavy with it. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. And this one is, she is thick. I'm gonna take this M Cosmetics. This one's really creamy. Here's our contour. Before I blend out the concealer, I'm gonna blend out the contour, and I'm just gonna use the same foundation brush actually. Gonna add some baking powder. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. Wow, have you guys ever seen me with so much makeup? This Essence pencil just to line the inner rim, the waterline. Now we are gonna do the eyeliner. I'm gonna use this one by Rare Beauty just because it's like a matte. think this eyeliner is like dried out on me actually. I'm gonna use a different eyeliner. Okay, this one's literally my favorite eyeliner, the Glossier one. Should have just used it from the get-go. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off. Let's just see what it looks like with just my mascara. And I'm going like outwards like this. The power of mascara. It's actually like coming together now. I should use the Glossier one. Damn. It's looking thick. Let me go grab the Glossier one. I love this one to separate. It never leaves it clumpy. Makes it a really good bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna go into the Stone Cold Fox palette and use the shade Stranger, which is this guy right here. Kind of neutralize it a little bit more. I think I went too ham with the gray, you guys. And it's more of like a muted brown. Also cleaning up the mascara. I'm gonna use this contour palette. This is from a while ago, honestly. Smashbox, but I think they have like new packaging. And then I'm also gonna use the bronzer shade. This peach one from Huda. Just kind of put it right in the outer perimeters of the face. I had a different lip combo. I like this better. And then I'm gonna use this one by Milani that is kind of pale, like, see? And then of course we need just a tiny bit of gloss. I'm gonna use Madeline. This is in the Butter Gloss by NYX. I would definitely recommend, I know I used the Gone Matte palette first, but I would definitely recommend using the Stone Cold Fox. I'm trying to stay off heat this past week, just so my hair can thrive and grow. So I'm just gonna put it down the middle, do a low bun. If your hair is like curly or you have any kind of texture, I'm gonna show you this gel pomade from Bumble and Bumble that is gonna change your damn life. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Let me show you. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it looks like this. It is so, like, I love this texture. It looks clear. It almost looks like water, but it has like moisture in there. Like besides the water, I don't know. I feel like there's like some kind of oil. Snatches my hair. You know, I'm so used to Moco the Gorilla gel to really snatch a pony. But this one just feels so much more flexible. I'm also super obsessed with this stuff. It's the Guava Rescue Spray by Ceremonia. You can use this with your hot tools or your blow dryer, whenever you're gonna use heat, of course. But it also, oh my god, it smells so freaking good. But it also just kind of helps to smooth your hair. It brings back some shine. Kind of does it all. I love it. This is a look. Ooh, I love. Okay, that is the look. I never thought I would love a matte look as much as I do this one. It's really fun and I feel like a freaking supermodel. Okay, let me change out of this robe so we can get the full look. Into this little cozy, sexy guy. It's really cute, actually. It's a bodysuit. I just put some sweats in since I'm just kind of chilling at home today, but very cute. Like it could kind of go with all of these cool tones. Oh my gosh, my nails. I just did my nails as well. These are press-ons. I can't even believe it. I'm gonna be acting up. I'll have these linked below because they're so fun and so cute and so freaking easy, especially if you don't like getting your nails done like I do. I hate getting my nails done. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.